All right, good morning. It is time for us to finish up section 9.7, special right triangles. We've already done 30, 60, 90. So you remember, we practiced this on Friday. If we had a right triangle that had a 30 degree and a 60 degree angle, can you stand right here? Thank you. That the side across from 30 was x, the side across from 90 is 2x, and the side across from 60 was x radical 3. And what that allowed us to do was to find the missing side if we were only given one side. We're given more information because we're given that it's a right triangle, plus we're given the angles of the other two missing angles, but then we only get one side, where usually when we use Pythagorean theorem we have two sides. Yes, honey. Mommy's making a video. Can you come back in a little bit? Can you say hi? Say hi. Okay. All right. Now I'm going to keep teaching, okay? You're standing in front of the video though. Can you stand? That's good. Perfect. Okay, so the other one that we need to do, that we need to learn, is a 45, 45, 90. And one of your classes, 7th or 8th hour, I can't remember, figured out that a 45, 45, 90 is actually an isosceles right triangle. So it means that the side across from 45 is the same as the side across from this 45. You can pull Pythagorean theorem out, x squared, add them together, and we have to take the square root, so we get 2x squared. Take the square root, we get x radical 2. I'll let you do that proof if you'd like. If we were in class, we would do it together, but since we're not in class, I'm just going to try and get this through as quick as possible so we don't take as much time. Okay, I need this paper right here, honey. Thank you. Okay, so for some examples, we can get a variety of things as our answer, or to work with. So let's say we get that the side across from one of the 45 degree angles, honey, can you stand right here? Right here. Thank you. You can look in the geometry book if you want. The side across from 45, let's say they give us 3. Okay? So that means that the side across from this 45 is also 3. Let me see. I think I have another color. Okay. The side across from this 45 would also be a 3. And then the side across from 90 would be 3 radical 2. That easy. Seriously, it's that easy. So let's say I gave you another one. Let's say in the next case, I gave you that the side across from 90 here was 6 radical 2. Well, that means that the side across from 45 would just be this part, the x part of the radical 2. So this would be 6, and this would be 6. Okay? Now, of course, I can do that funky mean thing that I did before with 30, 60, 90 triangles, and I can make it the side across from 90 a whole number, in which case everything kind of changes. So let's say,
hey, Mommy, that's a triangle like that.
That is a triangle. Yes, ma'am. Very good. Yes, and that's a triangle too. Good job. High five. All right. Okay. Now, I need you to stand right over here so people can see. Thank you. Very good. So the side across, let's say the side across from 90 is a whole number. So let's say this is 10. Okay? So that means that 10, let's see, let's do this in blue. 10 is equal to x radical 2. So we divide by radical 2.
That's a triangle like that.
Yes, it is. But we know we can't leave radical 2 on the bottom, so we have to do something called rationalizing the denominator.
Sophia, too.
Yes, come. Can you come stand right over here? You're in the way of the people watching the video. So 10 radical 2 over 2, right? But 10 radical 2 over 2 divides 10 by 2, so I get 5. Radical 2 is what x is.
Sophia down.
So that means that this
Sophia down. Sophia down.
is 5 radical 2. It's the same premise of what we did before, only with radical 3 was before, and now it's a radical 2. Okay? If you have questions, email me, text me. I gave you guys my text number, and my cell phone number, and an email before. So feel free, text me. I will be taking my daughter to the doctor, and then we will be seeing Frozen later. So have a wonderful snow day, and I will see you guys tomorrow.